Yeah, good morning. My name is Ravi Kumar. I have started this microtech tool room in 2007. We are running a tool room business with various customers like automobile, electrical, in all segments we are now. From last 14 years, I'm doing this business. And now recently I brought SNT VMC missions. I think 6 months back I brought 3 missions within a span of 3 months. And I got 2 VMC VL1600 and one double column. And now this mission performance is very nice. There is no issue with that. If any small issues also, they will sort out in the phone also by contacting in phone. Or immediately they will come because it is nearby 2 other weeks. Next, I'm planning to buy another VMC also with SNT only. Up to now, our customers also is very happy with the finishing, whatever the quality we are giving to them. This is also our customer is very satisfied. So we are getting more orders because of this mission also. Till now, we don't have any other problem.